Today we're doing a garage exterior concrete repair using SikaTop 123 Plus. Keep watching the video, I'll show you how we do it. How's it going, guys? It's Jeff Lepard from DoItAllCeiling.com. On this channel, we do paving, asphalt repairs, lime painting, concrete, and much, much more. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. So the reason why we're doing this repair is if you look at the facing of the concrete here, it's all chipping off. And of course on the top here, we've got some cracking. So we want to repair this before we pave the driveway. So that's going to be on another video. You want to stay subscribed so that you can check out that video as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to use this crack broom. I'm just going to clean out the surface a little bit, and I'm going to get my blower and give it a quick blow before I begin the Sika 123 application. Okay, so I've got my duct tape. I'm just gonna tape along the edge of the door. I want a nice, clean, straight edge for the Sika 123 because I obviously don't want it going under the door. I don't have access within the garage. It's only an exterior repair, so that's why I'm just gonna tape it. Now that we have the floor taped off, we're ready to start our application of the SikaTop 123 Plus. We have a component A, component B. So what we got to do is you mix whatever amount you want. You start off with the liquid. This is the component A into a bucket, and I'm going to be thoroughly mixing that with the drill, putting the B into component A. And once you get the desired consistency, then you can start the application. Also check out the other videos where I've used this stuff on concrete repairs. You might want to check that out as well. So I'm going to get started. Make sure you shake component A quite well. Okay. Okay, we've got some in there. And we're going to add component B. You want to mix for a few minutes. Make sure that it's completely consistent. I'm going to be using this rubber float to apply the Sika to the foundation of the concrete. Now I'm just going to get a bit on here. I'm going to first start off with the face, and then I'll do the actual exterior floor after. I'll start off with the center here. I'm just going to work it in. So right now it's started to set up. I'm just going to do a bit of a sponge finish to smooth the Sika off. If I have to do a second coat, I'll do that if it's needed. Just going to use it in a circular motion. Just going to smooth out all the rough edges. Now I'm ready to apply the Sika on the top of the concrete where the cracking is. Just gonna use the rubber float and just working it in. Now that the Sika is applied, I'm going to sponge finish the top. Not too wet and not too dry. Circular motion, same thing like the sides. And I'm just going to flip the sponge every now and then. After sponge finishing it, I'm ready to immediately pull the tape just so it doesn't harden and I have a problem later on. The Sika is now dry, that's it. We removed the tape and everything was completed, sponge finished. Now the customer can use the garage again. Just want to thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bash that bell to turn notifications on for all the upcoming videos. Give us a thumbs up and like our video, share our video, and leave a comment below. And we'll see you next time from doitallsealing.com. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.